Hi guys, welcome back. कोरियन बारबेक्यू के बाद हम लोग अब यहाँ पे really famous breakfast place Egg Slut. It's really kind of Japanese milk bread और उसके अंदर eggs होते हैं. So we're gonna be trying out that breakfast right now. Grand Central Market है टोरंटो की. तो आपको दिखाते हैं like how does the breakfast sandwiches is. It's really long lineups पर अभी सुबह work day है पर भी हम vacation पे हैं तो थोड़ा सा rush कम हो चुका है. So we're gonna go and try and see what else other things are in the market. So let's go and try this breakfast sandwich. As you guys know, it's really nice in LA right now. Very good kind of sunny day, so we just try to set it out, show you guys the sandwich and then take it back to the family. They also do like freshly squeezed orange juice, so we're gonna give that a try. Anywhere I see if someone is squeezing fresh orange juice, I need to get that. So so good, so refreshing. Let me just show you the face of it. As I told you, warm brioche bun, egg chives, scrambled egg with chives and then cheese. You can't go wrong with this, so we're gonna give it a try and a taste test. Obviously they give it with a spoon and everything, so it's a bit messier on the side. So oh, look at this, so smooth and so soft. The egg quantity is like very generous. It's right in downtown Grand Central Market. There's all kind of food shops which I'm gonna show you guys, but I've always seen people posting about this on the videos like whenever they come to LA, so it was a must try. Obviously, as this is our breakfast, so we need to get the coffee and everything, but coffee doesn't seem like anything extra, but the sandwiches are. So yeah, I can show you. Look at the size. It's a really good size. I think it's a bit on the saltier side, but I like it. It might be because of the cheese. This chives, the cheese and the scrambled egg is so good, so fresh. We also got the biscuits also. It's a $4.50 biscuit, so let's see. It comes with its own honey and stuff. Oh my god. Oh, that's why. Look at this. And it was written like till it lasts, so it goes out really quickly. So it's a buttermilk sandwich, buttermilk biscuits. It smells so nice. It's so good. It's so warm, freshly baked. Such a good, warm, crispy, really nice for a better breakfast, right to start off the day. Today it's gonna be so interesting as we are taking the kids inshallah to Disneyland. We'll be shooting there, and I have finally found, as I was craving, you know that moment जब आप सोचते हैं कि कुछ और मांग लेता अल्लाह मियाँ से. I found like Bundu Khan. I was craving Bundu Khan. I was watching videos for Bundu Khan. and tonight they just opened in Los Angeles. They're all over in US, in Chicago and stuff, but they just opened recently in LA. So we're gonna be hitting there. Let me finish the sandwich, juice, and all of this, and then I'm gonna meet you guys at the dinner at Bandhu Khan and show you around. I'm really excited. Thank you guys for always watching. Please subscribe, like, comments. हिम्मत मिलती है, motivation आती है to keep this video going on. We'll try to show you around as much as LA और इसका halal scene, but stay tuned for everything. And see you guys at Disneyland World Resort, whatever it is, और उसके बाद फिर बंदू खान. तो